Welcome back to the Mighty Machinery channel, home of all things heavy machinery and machinery fails. In this video, we're going to be presenting unbelievable modern road construction machines that are at another level. Stay until the end to witness the Mighty Machinery team's most mind-blowing road construction machine. At number 1, let me introduce you to the Komatsu HB365 LC3 excavator. It's the powerhouse behind road construction projects. This 43-ton beast is firing up with a mighty 6-cylinder engine that roars with 269 horsepower. This excavator boasts a bore and stroke of 4 and 6 inches, signifying its serious capabilities. It beautifully clears the construction site using its 3 cubic yard bucket. Grading becomes a breeze as it shapes terrain to perfection, ensuring the slopes and elevations are just right. Its impressive features, like a 21-foot HD boom and 10-foot arm, make it a true hero in road construction. Moreover, it showcases a piston displacement of 540 cubic inches. In short, the Komatsu HB365 LC3, with a massive 160-gallon fuel tank, packs the power to handle even the toughest road construction jobs with gusto easily. Next, we've got the Caterpillar 24 motor grader, the ultimate road smoothing wizard. Its 24-foot wide and 3-foot long blade effortlessly flattens the uneven terrains. It's like precision surgery for roads, with a maximum depth of cut by the blade at 2 feet. Weighing in at a hefty 83 tons, this behemoth has modern solutions when it comes to shaping and leveling road surfaces. Under the hood, there's a 12-cylinder engine that flaunts 535 horsepower and 1,648 cubic inch displacement. Plus, its engine embodies the perfect balance of strength and mastery, with a bore of 5 inches and a stroke of 6 inches. It makes sure to maintain the desired cross slope with its cat grade control. On the third spot, we've got the Bomag BW138 AC5 road roller, the compact yet mighty marvel revolutionizing road construction. This modern road roller is used to compress and smooth out the materials, with its drum of a width of 5 feet and a diameter of 10 feet to improve the load-bearing capacity of the road. A gutsy 4-cylinder 45 horsepower engine powers this innovative machine. This 5-ton roller is like the speedster of the crew, with a max speed of 6 miles per hour, zipping through tasks with ease. And with a fuel tank capacity of 15 gallons, it's prepared to roll all day long. Don't miss out on the action. Subscribe to Mighty Machinery now for more mind-blowing insights into the world of modern road construction equipment. At the fourth spot, we've got the Wirtgen W200F large milling machine. With its rotating cutting drums, armed with carbide teeth, this giant can skillfully mill off old pavement material to your desired depth, like a master sculptor carving marble. And here's the kicker: it completes milling jobs with accuracy due to its advanced level proactive leveling system. It's like the Hulk of the construction site, with a weight of 31 tons. With a milling width of 7 feet and a max depth of 1 foot, it's like the Michelangelo of road resurfacing, crafting smooth surfaces with unmatched skill. Its milling drum units can be swapped out in a snap, allowing for milling widths of either 6 or 7 feet as part of the multi-cutting system, ensuring versatility for any project. In brief, if you want your roads smoother than a buttered pancake, look no further than the Wirtgen W200F. Now let's turn the spotlight towards the Liebherr L550 X-Power wheel loader, the construction site king with muscles. Highly productive and versatile, this dynamo can handle a wide range of materials, from aggregates to earth and everything in between. With a tipping load ranging from 9 to 14 tons and a bucket capacity of 3 to 12 cubic yards, it's like the superhero of heavy lifting. It's the ultimate combination of strength and agility, with a weight of 23 tons and a roaring 219 horsepower engine. Furthermore, with its robust lift arm variations, this loader can adapt to any job, making it the Swiss Army knife of construction equipment. To sum up, the Liebherr L550 X-Power could be your best buddy, whether you need to move mountains or just a pile of dirt. Now, meet the Caterpillar AP1055 track asphalt paver. The road building maestro hero that turns asphalt into smooth, durable highways with the finesse of a master painter. With its precision engineering, this paver flawlessly spreads and compacts hot asphalt mixtures, ensuring every inch of the roadbed is coated to perfection. It glides smoothly across the pavement, paving a range from 10 to 25 feet wide at a maximum speed of 210 feet per minute, like a well-oiled machine. This heavyweight champion of 23 tons effortlessly churns out a maximum throughput capacity of 1,602 tons per hour, stretching 22 feet long, 11 feet wide, and reaching a height of 12 feet. It stands like a proud skyscraper amidst the asphalt expanse. With 225 horsepower engines and fuel tanks holding 92 gallons, the Caterpillar AP1055 paver is the unstoppable force behind building the roads we drive on every day. Here we have the Wirtgen WRC-240i Cold Recycler and Soil Stabilizer. The 38-ton superhero of road rehabilitation can save your day with its incredible milling and mixing powers. With a production rate of up to 600 tons per hour, it features an outstanding crushing, screening, and mixing unit that can handle hardcore concrete fragments, cobblestones, and rocks. To optimize stabilization in soils with a moderate stone content, the Wirtgen achieves its peak performance, covering a noteworthy area of up to 9,568 square yards per day. Plus, with a working width maxing out at 8 feet and a depth of 2 feet, it's like the meticulous artist delicately crafting each surface with finesse to breathe new life into roads. Therefore, watch out for potholes. The Wirtgen WRC-240i is here to pave the way to smoother roads and brighter smiles. At number 8, brace yourself for the Optimus S19 paver laying machine, a modern road construction wizard of a mere 2 tons, geared up to tackle any paving project. With its 24-horsepower engine, it accurately lays paving materials like bricks, blocks, or slabs, creating road surfaces that are not only durable, but also visually stunning. With a lifting capacity of 1 ton, it's like the strongman of the crew, gracefully hoisting pavers into place in lightning-fast 20-second cycles. On top of that, it can install pavers over 10,764 square feet per day. The Optimus S19 paver laying machine commands attention on the construction site with its 6-foot height. It spans 13 feet wide, ensuring ample coverage as it navigates through paving tasks. Plus, stretching 4 feet long, it's compact enough to maneuver in tight spaces without compromising on performance. Rev up your excitement for the Sany SY412C 6W concrete mixer. It's the modern mixer with brains and brawn. It has a mixing capacity of 424 cubic feet and feeding speeds of 283 cubic feet per minute. This mixer is like the magician of concrete blending, whipping up the perfect mix in no time. And when it comes to pour, it's like the speed racer of discharge, spitting out concrete at 177 cubic feet per minute. It's a formidable force of 16 tons, which ensures a steady supply of precise concrete mixing with a water tank capacity of 211 gallons. Furthermore, it's equipped with a GPS system that features 5 functions, including vehicle monitoring, record playback, alarm reporting, fleet management, statistics, and analysis. In a nutshell, the Sany SY412C 6W is a must whether you're building skyscrapers or sidewalks. Capping off the list with the John Deere 850K LGP bulldozer, the heavy-duty hero of earth moving. It's equipped with a pat blade to tackle any grading, leveling, or compacting task expertly. It's as versatile as a toolbox with a blade lift height of 4 feet and a digging depth of 2 feet. It's like the muscle-bound warrior of the construction sites, with an engine power of 205 horsepower and a base weight of 23 tons. It has an automatic dual-path hydrostatic drive that seamlessly navigates through the toughest terrains with precision and efficiency, ensuring optimal performance in any environment. Bottom line, the John Deere 850K LGP bulldozer is your ultimate sidekick in building perfect roads. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through the world of modern road construction machinery. We hope you were as amazed as we were by the innovative technology and impressive capabilities showcased by these machines. Remember, the road to progress is paved with cutting-edge equipment like the ones we've seen today. Stay tuned to Mighty Machinery for more fascinating insights into the world of construction and engineering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates on groundbreaking machinery that's truly at another level.